Welcome to our Dragon Qigong in this wonderful pine forest. Let's take a relaxing breath and attune to the energy of nature, our body, and our breath by laying the hands onto the lower dantian. Take a deep inhale and feel your belly rise. And with every exhale, let the belly sink. Notice with each full breath your body begins to relax more and more. If you hold tension, gently roll your head to one side and move a little forth and back. In the beginning, make small movements so the body can open naturally. If this feels good, feel free to roll your head from side to side in a half moon. Continue to breathe with ease and intention. Now we look to the left and to the right. Feel a gentle stretch in your neck. Let your eyes follow the movement. Next, we bounce the head from shoulder to shoulder. Be mindful and enjoy the release of tension. Wonderful. Now let your palms face down in Fuji Earth posture. Ground yourself. All joints are open. Begin with relaxing your knees, your pelvis. Sink your tailbone down. We open the spine by becoming tall. Now open your arms, open your fingers, and be aware of your connection to heaven and earth. We feel the earth force by spiraling our hands. Imagine your palms like suction cups magnetizing earth chi. Make the movement slow so you can feel the chi. Then raise your arms halfway. Now rotate the palms to the heaven. Magnetize heaven chi. And then like an energy shower, wash your body and mind with nature's abundant chi. Again, raise your hands up and draw down the heavens over the three dantian. Inhale, hands float up. Exhale, wash the mind, the heart, and body. We flow into knocking on the door of life. Keep your head and spine upright, and from the central axis of the body, turn left and right. The joints are relaxed, and begin to knock with your hands over the lower dantian and Mingmen point. The movement comes from your center. Breathe. Now a little higher over the liver and spleen. Let any tension and stress melt away by using the purging breath to release. Slow down a bit, and if you can, look over your shoulder. Feel this wonderful deep rotation in your spine. Face forward. And now we slap the shoulders. This is wonderful to release tension in the area. If you carry stress on your shoulders, imagine brushing it off with every slap. Let it go by using the purging breath in from the nose and blow it out from the mouth. We unwind and become slower and slower. Take another deep sigh of relief. Now, let's let our 10 dragons run through the forest. Energize the hands, and like a comb, brush with your fingers over the center line, the head, and then always a few inches to each side. This increases the chi and blood circulation in the brain. Feel this energizing practice. Then dust your fingers off and feel the tingling in the fingertips and the warmth spreading over your scalp. Enjoy this moment before we open Bai Hui, the master point on the center of the head. With the thumbs, we come to the center tip of the ears, and the middle fingers land on Bai Hui. Begin to massage in small circles. Now just press gently. Inhale. And with the exhale, our hands float down. Imagine Bai Hui open like a fountain of energy. Let's come into the triple warmer stretch by interlacing the fingers. Flow up, palms rotate towards the heaven and stretch. Exhale, release, hands float down. Again, we interlace and rise the hands. If you like, you can come onto your toes to train your balance and activate bubbling spring. It's okay to fall. We can always try again. Stretch and flow one more time. Feel how we create space in the body. This time we flow and stretch to the side. Exhale, center. Inhale to the right. Heart facing upward. Exhale, center. Hands flow down, flow up, and stretch. Inhale to the right. Again, inhale, stretch. Exhale, center. Hands flow down the sides halfway. We are going into arm stretches. Inhale and imagine pushing 2 invisible walls. Exhale, relax. Inhale, push and stretch, and exhale, release. This supports the health of our tendons, muscles, and bones. Inhale, expand this invisible force, and exhale, feel the relaxation response in your body. Continue. Now inhale, hold. Exhale, float the hands down and shake it off. We flow into the Du Mai stretch. Inhale, hands interlace and flow up. Bend to the left, round your back and flow to the right and then to center. Reverse. Exhale, flow in a half circle. Inhale to center. Flow down. Again, inhale. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, center. Exhale, reverse. And inhale, center. Exhale, hands unlock and flow down. One more time. And this time, hands float halfway down again. Let's open the wrists by rotating and spiraling the wrists backwards. Now forward. Inhale and exhale, shake it off. We are ready for our competing dragons. We lift the arms up halfway. Our right hand flips to face up, left hand thumb down, and rotate until palm faces up too. Now inhale, and with the exhale, spiral the hands, look to the left. Inhale, and exhale, spiral through, look right. Inhale, exhale, feel the rotation in your shoulders, arms, wrists, and hands. Continue on. And just let go of the breath and let your dragons compete. With every rotation, we open and close the blood flow. Imagine it like a garden hose. Bend it and we stop the flow. Let go and the water will gush out. If this twisting and coiling movement is too intense, make the range of movement smaller and shake your hands and arms to relax and join back in when you're ready again. Now inhale to center. Exhale, release. Loosen your shoulders and feel into the circulation of qi. Maybe by now your hands are nice and warm. Next, we stretch the legs. Widen your stance. We begin to stretch the left leg. Bend from your right leg so you can sink. Other side. Take your time and stretch your legs mindfully. On the inside of the legs, run the liver meridian. Stretching the inside of the legs is like a great way to activate it and support qi flow in the meridian channel. If it feels good, you can sink deeper now. Feel into your body and go at your own pace. Now we open our dragon wings and sink down to the right. Keep the right leg stretched and the left leg bent. Center, then sink. Left hand reaches for the left leg. Keep the right leg bent. Feel a nice stretch. Inhale, center. Arms stretched out wide. Exhale, sink and open the lines of tension in the leg. Flow with your dragon left and right at your own pace and only sink as deep as it feels good to you. We come to the center with the palms touching in prayer in front of the heart. Feel the energy and heat between your palms and breathe. Let's wake the dragon. Palms shift to the right, head looks to the left. We flow through the center. Palms shift to the left, head turns right. Feel the stretch in your neck. Keep shifting and looking left and right. Imagine the dragon waking and observing its surrounding before it takes flight. Now begin to shift your weight to one side, center to balance, and slowly shift your weight to the other side. Feel into your body. We center and come into the swimming dragon young. At first, coil your spine gently sideways with your hands in prayer in front of the heart. Begin to make the movements bigger. Imagine the dragon's body coiling and swirling around. If you like, you can let your dragon dive down into the sea and swim, only for the dragon to resurface and slowly ascend upwards to the lower dantian, middle dantian, and finally let it fly high to the upper dantian and even higher above the crown over your head, and stretch. Float the palms down to the heart. We fly again. Begin to embody the power and grace of the dragon spirit. Set your inner dragon free. Fly. Dive down. Swim. And rise back up again, higher and higher, above the crown to the universe. Draw universal chi to the upper dantian and honor your dragon. Hands in prayer to the middle dantian. We bow to our heart and humanity. Now make the mudra for vitality and place it onto the lower dantian. Energize your center for vitality. To integrate, we let the dragons fly one more time, and dragon rises from the earth. With the inhale, the left hand rises up the center line. Let the dragon circle, and with the exhale, draw down. Inhale, hand rises up the center line. Let your dragon fly, and with the exhale, the dragon returns home. One more time on each side. Inhale, rise and circle. Exhale, flow down. Feel your dragon rise. And then harmonize your upper, middle, and lower dantian for inner balance. Now both dragons rise. Let them fly so free. And then bring this feeling to your mind, heart, and body. We circle the hands around and collect nature's pure chi. Lay your hands onto the lower dantian to store and integrate all this good energy. We step the feet together. Bring the hands in prayer to our heart and bow to it. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope you feel wonderful and filled with radiant and abundant chi. Bye bye. See you very soon again.